important to have win or lose, but when it comes to along with win or lose, it is very important for us to remember that it is just a game, and winning and losing is not going to topple the world we live in. Basically, that is the most important thing which we need to understand, because we still have opportunities. We have a lot more opportunities, and I'm sure we're going to play more number of games. Each and every team here is going to play more number of games. So losing one season does not mean you're going to lose all the time. So you have a lot of opportunities. So both are equally important. But at the end of the day, laws are something which restrict you. These restrictions, it's very important for us to follow these restrictions, so that a game exists. A game cannot exist without restrictions. It's not a game.
So
from all these sports were saying that there should be matches where there is no crowd in front of empty stadiums. So, how will that feel?
That would feel very eerie. It will be something totally weird, and it would be something very wacky. It will not look nice. It would be the atmosphere. It's important to understand that when you play a game, the players have a certain kind of atmosphere which is created by the audience. Without that atmosphere, I think many players cannot perform to their fullest. It will be like a practice match in which you don't have many people. It will not be like a formal game. So I don't think it will be a very good atmosphere for playing, because IPL is more or less a celebration, and wherein we celebrate cricket and people will come and watch it. So I think the game will not look good. It is not nice to have such a empty crowd and having a match and all. It's not so nice. It will not suit the atmosphere.
So as Shyam said, fans and spectators are important. We need fans for our show, guys. हमें भी आगे बढ़ना है. So
True.
Actually, I support this thing, because even अगर अभी IPL होता भी, Indian government ने overseas players, बाहर की country से जो भी player आ रहे हैं, people, they have put a restriction on visas and passports. So वैसे भी it would have been difficult for foreign players to.
In fact, England players have been put restrictions.
Yeah, so
London से जो भी आ रहे हैं, I guess people who live in London now cannot come, because visa restrictions have been put due to the corona outbreak. So it will definitely affect the England players. England players may not be able to play this season. I don't think that such a thing would happen, but there is a small possibility.
I know. So in that team, जो हमारी team की favorite team है CSK, उसके साथ सबसे अच्छा होगा. CSK has the most Indian players, and some from West Indies where जाटने effect नहीं हुआ. Anyway, so Shyam, I have this bat today, so I'll give you this bat and I'll name a player, and you have to describe that player in one word, whichever comes first to your mind. And then देखते हैं हमारे viewers का क्या होता है. So yeah, here you go. You have the bat. So the first player is Virat Kohli. One word, quickly.
Virat Kohli is the spirit.
Spirit. MS Dhoni.
MS Dhoni is the calm mind.
Okay. Dwayne Bravo.
Dwayne Bravo, the cool dancer.
Andre Russell.
Andre Russell, the King Russell.
Sunil Narine.
Cheeky.
Faf du Plessis.
Faf du Plessis, slink.
Rohit Sharma.
Rohit Sharma, swag.
Oh, you're doing it nicely. And the last one. Bowlers को हम लोग ज़्यादा importance नहीं देते. हमेशा होता है best batsman last में. But I'm getting him now. Jasprit Bumrah.
The Swift.
The Swift. See, he has done it very well. So viewers भी अपना response डालें. Till then हमारे श्याम श्री ने अपने बाकी busy काम पूरे करेंगे. And sir, please clarify that you are not from San Francisco. So I'm confused. Just clarify.
I'm not from San Francisco. I'm just a normal guy from Delhi.
Yeah. You've been traveling around India, Delhi, Chennai, Bangalore, but nothing. कभी abroad गया हो?
Yes.
Yeah, but not San Francisco. So guys,
We'll one day go for sure.
Yeah, he'll go one day. Our team will shoot there one day for sure. Till then, don't spread rumors. Yeah, he's getting a lot of problems. Bye to all. Cut.